If you've ever searched for a cheap Steam key online, you've almost certainly landed on Instant Gaming. It's one of the biggest names in discounted game keys, with over 800,000 reviews on Trustpilot, more than almost any other platform in this space. But before you hand over your card details for a demodier game at 60% off, it's worth understanding exactly what kind of store you're actually buying from. In this video, what instant gaming actually is, how it works, the honest pros and cons based on real buyer experience, the pricing and fees you need to know about, and whether it's actually safe to use. Let's get into it. What is instant gaming? Instant Gaming is a French registered digital storefront that sells discounted activation keys for PC games, Steam, Epic, EA App, GOG, Ubisoft Connect, as well as console games for Xbox, PlayStation, and Switch, plus subscriptions like Xbox Game Pass. Here's the important part to understand before anything else. Instant Gaming is not an official retailer. It's what's commonly called a gray market reseller. It sources keys in bulk from regions or distributors where publishers price games lower, then resells them globally at a markup that's still well below full retail price. It's not endorsed by Valve, Microsoft, Sony, or Nintendo, but the keys themselves are generally sourced from legitimate publisher or distributor channels, not pirated. It's been operating for more than a decade with a catalog covering thousands of titles, and keys are typically delivered to your account within minutes of payment. That's the core model. Now let's get into what it's actually like to use. Features walk through massive catalog, thousands of titles across PC and console, from new releases to older back catalog games, instant digital delivery. In most cases, your key appears in your account or by email moments after payment completes. Deep discounts. Prices are consistently below official store pricing, sometimes significantly so, especially on games that have been out for a few months. Site credit cashback system. Instant Gaming returns roughly 1 to 5% of each purchase as site credit you can use on future orders. Not cash, but still real value if you buy regularly. Multiple payment methods. A range of payment options are supported, including some that offer stronger buyer protection than others. Order and ticket system. Once you create an account, all your purchases live under My Orders, and you can open a support ticket directly if a key doesn't work. Regional key sourcing. Keys are sourced from wherever pricing is cheapest, which is the engine behind the savings, but also the source of most of the platform's real risks, which we'll get into now. Let's talk about whether the savings are actually worth it. The pros pro. Number one, genuinely strong review volume and rating. With over 800,000 Trustpilot reviews and roughly 4.5 to 4.7 out of 5 stars, Instant Gaming has one of the strongest and most extensive trust records of any game key platform globally. That volume matters. It's a lot harder to fake at that scale. Pro number two, real meaningful savings. Buyers consistently report significant long-term savings. One reviewer specifically tracked over 1,250 euros saved across their purchase history on the platform. Pro number three, fast, reliable delivery in the large majority of cases. Roughly 90% of transactions go completely smoothly, with keys delivered and working within minutes. Pro number four, responsive customer support. When things go wrong, multiple recent reviews specifically praise support response time, including refunds for broken keys processed within minutes in some cases. Pro number five, long track record. Over 13 years in operation is a meaningful signal in a category where a lot of gray market sites disappear or get flagged as unreliable within a year or two. Pro number six, EU registration and accountability. Being a registered company based in the EU gives buyers real legal recourse that some gray market competitors don't offer. That's the strong side. Now here's what you need to watch out for. The con number one, it's a gray market, not an official store, and that has real consequences because keys aren't always sourced through official regional channels. Buyers occasionally run into region-locked keys that won't activate in their country, or in rare cases, key revocations after purchase. Con number two, ID verification can catch new buyers off guard. Some first-time buyers report being asked to upload identification for verification, particularly on their first purchase or for higher value orders. Reactions to this are genuinely mixed. Some buyers accept it as standard fraud prevention, Others find it invasive for what should be a simple purchase. Con number three, refund rules are strict once a key is activated. There's generally a 14-day return window, but only if the key hasn't been redeemed yet. Once you activate a key on Steam or another platform, your ability to get a refund drops sharply. Con number four, day one releases are the riskiest purchases. Key sourcing for brand new releases tends to be the least reliable since gray market supply hasn't caught up yet. The savings and reliability both improve once a game has been out for a few months. Con number five, a small but real minority of bad experiences. Alongside the overwhelmingly positive reviews, there are a consistent number of one-star complaints, invalid keys, delivery issues, or frustration with the verification process. At scale, even a small percentage of 800,000 plus reviews is still a meaningful number of unhappy customers. Con number six, cashback is store credit, not real money. The 1 to 5% cashback only has value if you plan to keep buying through the platform. It's not a cashback reward you can withdraw or use elsewhere. Con number seven, lighter console coverage than PC. The catalog is strongest for PC gaming, with reviewers noting relatively lighter coverage for PlayStation and Nintendo compared to Steam and other PC platforms. So, a legitimate long running platform with real accountability and a strong trust record at scale, but a gray market model that carries inherent risks official stores simply don't have. Pricing and fees. There's no subscription here. You pay per key, and the pricing itself is the main draw. Prices are typically well below official store pricing, with bigger discounts on games that have been out longer. A site credit cashback of roughly 1 to 5% applies to purchases usable on future orders. Some payment methods may carry additional fees or offer stronger buyer protection than others. Using a payment method like PayPal is commonly recommended specifically for the extra protection it adds if a key turns out to be faulty. The real cost to weigh isn't just the price tag. It's the small but real added risk of region restrictions or key issues compared to buying direct from an official storefront. How does instant gaming compare to alternatives? Against official stores like Steam or the Xbox Store directly, instant gaming is meaningfully cheaper but comes with gray market trade offs, no publisher backing, and stricter refund conditions once a key is redeemed. Against other resellers like CD Keys, instant gaming has a broader PC catalog and a larger review base, while CD Keys is generally seen as having stronger console coverage. Against fully publisher authorized resellers like Fanatical or Greenman Gaming, those platforms charge slightly more but remove the regional risk question entirely since their keys are authorized directly rather than sourced from bulk regional pricing gaps. Who is instant gaming actually for? Instant gaming is a good fit if you're comfortable understanding and accepting gray market trade offs in exchange for real savings. You're buying games that have already been out for a while rather than day one releases. You check the region and platform details on each listing before purchasing. You mainly game on PC. Instant gaming is probably not a good fit if you want guaranteed, zero risk, publisher authorized purchases every time you're buying a highly anticipated day one release. You're not comfortable with occasional ID verification requests. Console gaming, especially PlayStation or Nintendo, is your main focus. So that's instant gaming, a legitimate, well established gray market key reseller with a genuinely strong trust record at scale, real savings, and responsive support when things go wrong, but with the inherent risks that come from not being an official storefront. Know what you're trading off, check the region and platform on each listing, and you'll likely be in the 90% of buyers who have a smooth experience. Links in the description if you want to check current prices. And if you found this review useful, hit subscribe. I break down platforms and tools like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.